Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I will show you, can you get FuboTV on PlayStation 4? Now, while most streaming platforms are pretty much, not working on PlayStation, FuboTV is actually one of those platforms that is not currently available, as you can see. Now, unfortunately, FuboTV is unavailable on PlayStation Store. However, you can download it on Xbox One, Xbox Series, and many more because they're working on another type of software, right? So if you want, you can obviously go and it's available on Roku, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, Fire Stick, and Apple TV alongside with Xbox One and Xbox Series. However, obviously you can maybe install FuboTV in some other way on PlayStation 4, but I would not recommend any other way. And yeah, unfortunately, it's not available for PS4. As you can see, unfortunately, FuboTV is not compatible with Sony's PlayStation consoles. If you want to watch FuboTV, then you want some other streaming device. Now, you can watch FuboTV on many devices such as Roku, again, Apple TV, Fire Stick, but unfortunately, with PS4, popular streaming apps, like Netflix, Amazon Fire TV, Disney Plus, and other streaming apps can be streamed on PS4. So yeah, that's pretty much the answer. The answer is unfortunately no. If you were looking for a correct answer, it's no, but you can go with these other streaming apps as well. Now, hope you guys find this video useful, and we'll see you in the next video.